Hello, me family, me salon family. Hello, me salon family. This is not our brother again. Today we just come back on the social media because I didn't now we don't see the facts that happen. You see, they find yourself in a certain group. If you go bring some to ABC and from that tribe, you go drop a day, my brother, I feel like a bomb. You see everybody is scared, like everybody wants to jump. No, this is not the Sierra Leone we want to see. Oh, before I move to another step, the people over there in Sierra Leone, they do comedy, they want to upgrade themselves. The reason why I want to reach that side, because I don't want to talk about politics these days. When you talk about politics, people will hate you. Because they believe politics don't spoil Sierra Leone. Now, today, what you want to talk about? The comedians. It's so sad. And it's so heart-rended when they see comedians, they cry in Sierra Leone. They say, what in Sierra Leone, now they get the hardest work. I say, no. What about the politician? Now I say, what in? What do you mean politician? We as comedians, we have the hardest tax. I say, what? They say, yeah. Can you imagine making Sierra Leone to laugh? One, we are very, very boring. For you kind of stage, you say go do a stand-up comedy. The people will just sit down, they look you, and they give them vibes, they will make them go laugh. We'll be saying a cure for them. And we say, no. We want to see dirty comedians. We want to see unlettered comedians. We don't want to see skillful comedians until the stage, the costume, the appearance of comedy upgrade in Sierra Leone before we go get peace. Because today, not the only people out there see that Sierra Leone, the top people that they listen to, the comedians, they have the voice of the people. Because sometimes most of the way they can come with the jokes. And then jokes today, you as a leader, you as a party front wheel or backbencher, you should accept them. Now make them warrior, they allow comedian to speak their mind freely in a sign of joking. But they're very, very expensive. Some of them joke they are. So now it makes some of we they come back to the social media. We're trying. At least where you can at the social media, don't keep people boring. And we encourage everyone. You will see somebody who can at the social media, they can't attack you, boom. The one you follow hold back, think, and be flexible. Now Lord just believes you, we are all one. And now we don't know say all the fed now inside the social media they happen there. All the feds love friend way, how they settle with differences them. We are all one Sierra Leone. Let God bless me for this message. Let God bless you as well for like and share. Oh, a dua. Yeah, he asked for dua, is it, for the country? Yeah, I'm gonna pray now for my country. I have to. And I want to pray as well for my past parents. If you said me didn't corner with somebody don't die for you, mashallah. I'm not doing it because I feel like I'm able to pray for everyone. No, but I believe sometimes in Salah, God answer. Especially we use if we in the background where they say, Amen. Let God bless your family. Amen. Let God bless you picking them. Amen. Let God give you people who they don't pass away. Al Jannah to Firdaus. Amen. Ya Allah. We say for there. No make law crumble. Ya Allah. No make law crumble. Ya Allah. No make law crumble. Ya Allah. Don't make law crumble, Ya Allah. Don't make law crumble, Ya Allah. Don't make law crumble, Ya Allah. Oh, a Quran. A nice book for Faleh. You, as a mankind, where they live in the 21st century, if you don't even like to read the Quran, my brother, the Bible is everywhere. They have the Old Testament, the New Testament. Read them. They show you the way. Even if you don't have any interest of joining any religion, this is not a force. But just keep reading the words and see how accurate you can be able to maintain your life as a human being before you can be able to survive in this world. Because God now make where they tell people and say, "Mortal man, you safe. Now you therefore upgrade yourself." Because God give you everything. God give you knowledge. God give you power. God give you everything for letting manage your life. Let God make you. Where they watch me, so let manage your life. Let God make me safe. While they talk, so let God manage my life. Let God bless you picking them. If it's today they sit down, they pray for parents where they don't pass away, and if you not try for left allegiance, where we say at least if you didn't in any religion, teach them pick out their religion they are, and for yourself where you die, then they will pray for you. Allahumma aghfirli wali walidayya walil muslimina wal muslimat wal mu'minina wal mu'minat wal ahya minkum wal amwat innaka qaribun mujibu da'watin ya rabbal alamin. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif lam mim. ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون الذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. Let God bless me for this. Let God bless you for this. Let God bless you for like and share. Y'all, anyone will get was in your heart as they're listening to this message today, y'all, make it easy for them. We can't fight without you, y'all. We can't fight our demons. We can't even fight the demons among our own families. We can't even fight the demons among our own parties members. We can't even fight our own enemy within our own deen. Ya Allah, you have to help us. That's why in Salat, Ehdina Sirat al-Mustaqim. Ya Allah, lead us to the right path. Let God bless me for this message. Let God bless you as well for like and share. Barakallahu fiqh. La like una all for the sake of Allah. Let God make law. All go meet back al-Jannah to Firdaus. Wherein then tell is here as a man, if you see girls there under my brother, you would like to enter the Arjana. If you see dress, you identify all are fake. Go Arjana, let's see woman the dress. You want to see six pack? You want to see woman with quality, makeup, eyelashes? Is a fake. Arjana woman, and they tell us then they change. I want to see. Let God make we meet up there because we Sierra Leone and we like bluff. Let God make we meet up in Arjana.